this is my final project, and I entered the date. I used the formula equals today, open and close parentheses, and I hit enter and it will show the date, December 16, 2020. And then this is the title of my project, Family Budget for 2020. And then I created this table and I enter the amount of my budget, but this is not the actual budget or the actual amount. This is only for demonstration purposes only. And I enter the month, January to December. And after I created this table, I copied and pasted it to my calculation table so that if I change the amount on this food and the under food, let's say I put 700, it will automatically update the food here in my family budget and my family budget data. So that's why I choose this, I did this way so that I can change it if it will change the year. Now, I use VLOOKUP function, the VLOOKUP function. So what I did is the VLOOKUP function is equals VLOOKUP, and then I choose the month. Then I went to the calculation, and then I choose the whole cells, and then I enter the column 1, 2, and then I comma, and then I enter false, and then close parenthesis, and then I hit enter, and it will show the 600. Now, in the total part, I use the sum function, equals sum, and then I choose all this cell, and then I hit enter, and it will show 6,667. In here, when I highlighted this one, I went to the home, and I went to formatting. And then I will highlight the cell. I go to the more rows, and it will show me there. And I enter the amount, cell greater than, and then I enter the amount, and I formatted them. And I format the font and the fill, and I put the color, and the result is this one. So I choose the red and then the blue. And then I also created a dashboard. So what I did in my dashboard, I created two drop-down lists, here and here, my net income and balance savings, and I tied them together with my month, like February, and it will change together. It will change the cell, like if I choose that, like that, and it will, like my savings account, it will change. So this one, I use the VLOOKUP, and then I went to the January 6 in this cell, and then went to my family budget, then select all, and then anchor them, and then I went to my calculations in the thing, and then I plus the 7 calculation. I plus this one, my maths. I did a maths function, dashboard money, and then put 0, and then hit enter, and then come up that one, the 3, and then it tied it to my January, or the month, my month cell or name box. So I tied them together, and this one, in my food, I use VLOOKUP calculation, the same I did, and then I embedded the column so that it will automatically uh, uh, go to the next column, like F1, and then I hit enter, and then it will show 250 for my car payment for January, and like that. So that's the way I do my workbook, and I think this is very usable for me and for my family, because I can change this one, my title 2021, the next year. So, and I can just change through my calculation this amount here, and it will automatically update my workbook. So that's my explanation to my project, and thank you very much, and hope that this is clear and easy to understand.